Don Bosco College Bindihati East Gentles District ringkat ke Jingatrai lang ke Ministry of Youth Affairs but Sports Regional Directorate of NSS Guwahati Government of India haka arpur trek leber arja arpusan kala penlong ya ke Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament arja arpusan ni ke rinsan ya thir halor ke phang ke wei ke election. Hakan ikaransan ya thir lawan banyashim banta ragi samla pulia ka rilum jaintia kentop naka kyang nangba Government College Jowai ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai ka Khat R Daloid Law College Jowai ka Jaintia Eastern College Cleariat but ka Don Bosco College Bindihati. Kibashim banta ban ay jingkersan ya dengan mat ki ong da ka bapenlong ha ka jo kapor ya borok ki election labi day na ka banta ka election sa parliament state assembly local body kan ya rap ban yo ya ka jing sakri ka babyang labi day bat ka roi ka par ki jingtei jingsna ne ki an ki kanun bat ki wei kan ba ki ba persapat ya ka ne ka phang ki ong kala pan wanra jingma ha ka kam sanchar khada da ka bapen i ru ya ki nong rem jongki Haka ni kajing thir ya ka kerdan baningkong la yora da ka kalung angel ka baar da ka imi lapasam balai sanjay shrestha basaw febili zadkhar bar basan da ka vida pala ki badai na ka Don Bosco College Bindihati ya ka kerdan ban rio la yo da ka riwan ka su chiang ka banyo la yo da yapli lang nongrang ka ba pra da ka beautiful dhar ki badai na ka kyang nang ba Government College Jowai ya ka kerdan ba khandai la yo do lambok star jerwa na ka Don Bosco College Bindihati ba ya ka kerdan ba sipaw la yo do tribok mi talang na ka Khat R Daloy Law College Jowai Kini ki ba job kin sa lek ban mi khmat panishim banta ha ka state level shwa jong ka ne la don ka jia lang lingkot bala don lang do Father Daniel David lang ka ji principal ka Don Bosco College Bindihati u Dr. Seven Dar Dahar NSS District Nodal Officer u bala kran lam khmat halor ka Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament u ba Justin Khar ex MLA Clearian u Waila Dameshwa Siangshai MDC Musnyang Rangan ki nong hikai na ki college bashim banta bat ki wei
Angel, and today I stand before you to express my strong views in favor for one nation, one election. Elections are incredibly expensive. The 2019 Lok Sabha election alone, it costed around 60,000 rupees. And adding to this, holding multiple elections at the national, state and local level, it makes the bill enormous. I conclude my speech stating that one nation, one election, it is not just to bring political reform or political change. It is a step towards making our India more efficient, cost-effective and politically stable. It is a move which could accelerate India's journey in becoming a Viksit Bharat, a developed India with strong governance and vibrant democracy.
A very warm greeting to you all. My name is Amy Lapasam. Today I stand before you to discuss a revolutionary idea on one nation, one election and how it can pave the way for Viksit Bharat, developed India. Instead of focusing on short-term political gains, leaders can concentrate on sustainable development. Fourth, higher voter participation. People get tired of voting repeatedly. A single election can increase voter turnout. However, this reform has challenges. First, the constitution must change and all political parties must agree. Second,
my name is Sanjay Srestha and today I am representing Don Bosco College Bindihati. India is a land of many culture, language and traditional. But one thing that unites us together is democracy. But today I ask you, can a democracy who is always busy electing can truly focus on development? That's why I'm standing here to talk about one nation, one election, paving the way to Viksit Bharat. Currently, India holds election for Lok Sabha, State Assembly and local bodies at different times, which means elections are happening almost every year.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Yapri Lamrogram, representing from College, and I strongly oppose the idea of one nation, one election to pave way to Viksit Bharat. And as the motion has mentioned that firstly it will save expenditure of money. But how? How can we know for sure that and guarantee that in the future the money won't rise, and also For example, I can give that in simultaneously election, EVMs will be used and it has a limited lifespan. It has to be replaced in the same time, and it is high in expenditure strike. And also, according to Article 368, the Parliament to amend the Constitution, but not at the cost of basic structure of the Constitution. You see, India's democracy runs on federal structure, which is only possible in a presidential form of government, example like Bangladesh. But I like to say that India cannot afford to go the Bangladesh way. To conclude, I would say that one nation, one election is a threat to development, not a part to it. Surely it will have some benefits like cost saving. It weakens democracy, and without strong democracy, there will be no true development. Thank you.
Became about Government College, Jowai. So today I stand before you to express my strong opposition to the proposal of one nation, one election. One nation, one election. At first glance, it looks like a smart idea, but at first glance, it looks like a smart idea. But let's take a closer look. It is really that simple? I don't think so. Let me tell you why. First of all, India is a diverse country. It has its own. India is a diverse country. It's like forcing everyone to eat the same food, even if they have different tastes. It just doesn't work. Also, what happens if a government falls midterm? It suppose a crisis leads to the collapse of the government due to a no-confidence motion on political instability. In such cases, the president rule will be imposed and the state will be directly controlled by the central government. This takes away the people's right to elect the leader. If elections are held only once in 5 years, a state could be left without government for a long time. If we hold by-election to fix this, then what's the point of one nation, one election in the first place? Lastly, this plan will also weaken the regional parties. Local will get buried under the national topics. And this is bad for democracy because the regional parties represent the real problem of the people. To wind up, I would like to say that elections are not a waste of time. They are the heartbeat of democracy. Instead of one nation, one election, we can focus more on making the election more fairer and reducing the corruption. Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya